In this video, we're going to install Kali Linux 2019.2 in our VMware workstation. So without wasting any time, let's get started. It's my First of all, you have to download the VMware, obviously. So you can go down to Google and type download VMware, VMware player or something like that. Download VMware Workstation Pro Indian. I prefer to go for File Hippo. Just click over there, download free version over here. Cut this out. Just download here, and your download will probably just start over there. Like start download. Okay, just click on start download. Whatever you use, I use IDM for downloads. If you use the stock Google or Chrome, whatever, just download it. It's 530 MB. Just cut it over there, and once you've downloaded it, head on to your PC. This PC. Check your download folder. Like I have saved it over here right now. VMware Workstation 4.15.0. Okay, so this is the latest version. Just open it. If it's asking for the permission, just grab it and install the workstation first. So it's basically for me it's better than dual booting or making Kali live, because you can have your Windows there, you can have more features. And if you're a YouTuber, you should probably go for that, because you can record videos easily. So just click next. It's basic installation, you don't need to do that. Reboot driver or reboot. Okay, just click next according to your preference. Choose your settings. So as you can see, it's done. It takes some time according to your processing speed. You must restart your system for the configuration change made to the VMware workstation to take effect. Click yes to restart now, or you can manually do it. So I'm just gonna press no, and I'm gonna pause my video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications from our channel. Subscription is completely free.
So once on this screen, after restarting your PC, just click on the create new virtual machine and select custom advanced. Go for next and select the latest one, which is 15x in my situation. Once you are watching the video, which one, latest version, just select that, because right now the latest version is 15.1. I'm using 15.x. So just click next, and it says I will install the operating system later. Nope, you have to go for the installer disk image ISO, because you already have downloaded the Kali Linux ISO file, which is over here. Just browse it according to you and open it. It says could not detect which operating system the disk is, so just click next, and you're gonna select that manually. Select Linux over here and go scroll up to select the Debian 9x64, because I'm using a Kali Linux 64-bit version. So just click next and select a name for your virtual disk. I'm going for Kali.19, and then browse the location where you want to put it. I have a Kali folder. I'll make a Kali folder in this drive. So I'm gonna make a new folder and say for Kali. Yeah, Kali is good. So it will change name later. Just click next and select your processor. Number of processors 1, number of cores I'll put it 2. You can put it as much as you want. I have a 6-core processor. I'll just go for 2 because it's just a video purpose. So RAM, I'll prefer 4GB RAM for me, because I have a 16GB RAM. If you have a 8GB RAM, go for 4. If you have a 4GB RAM, go for 2. So just don't go for 1 because it sucks. Just click next, and this step which I like most about VMware, which is better than VirtualBox, is it says it has the option of NAT. The VirtualBox is only having the bridge networking, which sucks. So just click next, and create a new virtual disk, obviously, yeah, and just click next. Where you don't know what you're doing, just click next, because the Kali's recommended settings are already good. So once you're done, the main thing is done. Now you just have to power on this virtual machine, and it's simply like when you install Windows or something. It's simply like that now from here. So over here you can see your mouse is here, and you can use it in Windows, and here too. When you click inside the Kali, it goes, and you can't use it in the Windows now. So for getting back, just Control and just press these two buttons, and you can get it back. Click inside, you're inside. So just go to the install or graphical install. I prefer graphical install over here. So from this, it's simply as the Windows, like how you install Windows on a new PC. Just click continue, 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 because it's some basic shit things which you probably don't need and don't find. So hostname is say, and domain name is same as Kali, whatever you wish. So password, I'll go for root and root. Same both sides. So click continue. Just don't forget the time. Who cares about time? From now on, this will take some time to install. Just use guided use entire disk over here. Virtual, yep. Just continue. All files in one partition, yep. And finish partitioning disk right, yep. Write change to disk, yep. And this step is gonna take the most of the time installing the Kali Linux. So I'm just gonna speed up some speed, like when it will reach from here to here. So yeah. Over here, just click yes and continue. No proxy, just click continue. So it took some time, but it's almost done. So just click on continue, and over this step, please watch carefully. Over this step, if you choose enter device manually, then you will be having a bug, I mean a black screen, which is very irritating, and you have to install the Kali again. So carefully just click on Dev SDA and click continue after that. So we're probably done over here. The installation has been done 100%. So now you have to restart the Kali, and then you have to install the VirtualBox VMware tools, which is over here. So after that, you are ready to go. So just click continue over here, and it will restart the Kali machine. See, it's probably restarting now. So your username is root. So here you go. Here's your first Kali screen. So over here, just go onto the VM and install VM tools. Make sure you're not logged into guest operation. Okay, so you can see VM tools are like in the Kali now. Just open with files. From here, you need to extract the folder. So, and you can see this folder over here, which is locked. Just click on this one and click this folder over here, and you need to extract it. Okay, just select it files and press extract all files and press desktop. Extract it over here on the desktop. Okay, so extraction is completed. Just close it, close everything. You can see the VM tools distribution. Just go inside and right click and press open terminal and type ls, okay, small. So you can see these are the files inside that in this folder. You need to open this file. Okay, so for that, just type dot / and you can copy this and paste it over here. Okay, then just press enter, creating a new variable. You are done. You just need to wait now. just press enter for the default scenes when it says. Okay. Just press enter. Just press enter for the default yes and default libraries. Just go on pressing enter. Nothing else. So now it will start to initialize. Just press enter. Nothing else. So hold on this step. So it's done. You're done. You can now reboot your Kali. And it will boot in the full screen with all the tools. Boot. If you're probably not getting the full screen, just go over the applications. Just go to applications and type display. And here you can go into the display settings and go for the orientation, and these are the settings these are the resolutions you can set. So I have a 1080p display. I'll go for the 1080p. Here is the 1080p, by the way. So 1440p. It's kind of 16:10, which suits me, and I'll press apply. This sounds fine. It seems okay. This one is good for me though. So you're done. You can go for the full screen like that, and you can use your Kali from here. So I hope you like this video. If you do, if you don't, try to hit the subscribe button, please. It will help me to make more videos and give some hope. Thank you. Have a nice time.